It's time for another flashlight video. That's right. Over the years, I managed to collect a lot of them. These are just a few of them that you see here. But about a week ago, a company called OLight reached out to me and said, could you take a look at our product and review it? And me being me, as a flashlight enthusiast, absolutely yes. Let's go. A big shout out to Nikki from OLight for sending these out to me. Thank you so much. The three products they sent out to me is their brand new Baton 3 Pro. Very nice miniature light right there. Up next is the OClip. And last but not least, the Seeker 4 Pro. This was the big daddy of them all. Now, a quick little disclosure to everybody here. This is not a paid promotion. This is not a commercial. This is going to be a genuine, honest review. You will get pros and cons from my perspective, aircraft maintenance perspective, because I take these out into the field and use them in my work. I need to know that these are reliable and good products for my line of work. Without further ado, let's get on the field and have some fun. Believe it or not, a good product flashlight can show you how well it works even in the daytime. Up first, the OClip. I'm going to give you the spec sheet right here. I'll do this for every one of these. Pay close attention to the lumens. That's the brightness. And also pay close attention to the longevity, how long it lasts in that brightness. Comes with a very convenient rubberized clip, which I had put right on my shirt right there. Great for, hands-free use. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm servicing oil on a Rolls-Royce Trent 800. Puts out a nice direct beam, very nice illumination. It's compact, lightweight. You'll hardly notice it's on you. It's almost a replacement for a headlamp. It has high, medium, low, moonlight, and the red light, plus strobing. Here's another example of it during the nighttime. So it does its job. It does its job well. But here's the kicker. At maximum output, about 300 lumens, it will only last you 1 minute. After 1 minute, it will dim itself down to 60%, and that will last you about 60 minutes. But that's still not that bad. Personally, I like lots of illumination for a prolonged amount of time. It's just not capable of doing that. It's such a small battery inside. But I was still enjoying this one. After enjoying this light throughout the shift, I did manage to go home and put it back on charge. And luck, or bad luck I should say, would have it, something happened. It stopped working. I'm not blaming the flashlight nor the company, and sometimes you get products that are just bad from stock. Not everything is perfect, guys. But this is why products have warranties. And OLight has a fantastic warranty program. I reached out to them, and they not only didn't hesitate, they said, we will send you out a brand new one. Don't worry about it. As I said, sometimes these things happen. I'm sorry, little guy. The aviation gods took you. It happens. But it's okay. We still got 2 more flashlights to review, so let's go. Up next, the Seeker 4 Pro. Very nice, very good build quality. Materials are wonderful. I'm loving the fact that it gives you a battery indication. You know when it's going to die, or you know when it's full charged. Most flashlights don't have that option. It's got a rotary little wheel. Obviously, it's a push button to turn on. You can adjust the brightness. I believe they come in various amount of colors. I tend to always get the standard black. At full charge is advertised to have 4,600 lumens. That's pretty impressive. That's a big, bold claim. To the spec sheets we go. 4,600 lumens, that's what it says, but look how long. Only for 2.5 minutes. After that, dropping down to 26%, which is about 1,000 lumens. Keep those numbers in mind. Also keep in mind where I'm working and the longevity that I need for extreme brightness. Day turns into night, and we can actually really test this out now. The handle does have a nice rubber grip on there, preventing slippage, so that's fantastic. But going back to, again, my line of work, I work with a lot of harsh chemicals, oils, so for me, it's not advisable because that rubber will eventually melt away. This is not OLight's fault. I'm just telling you what it would happen because I've had flashlights with rubber grips, and trust me, you touch Skydrol, or Skydrol touches it, or jet fuel, trust me, all that rubber is going to go. The flashlight itself consists of 4 individual LEDs inside the lens. That's a fantastic design, but the way the light projects itself is more like a floodlight. It's a wide beam. That's very suitable, anything between like 20 to 15 feet or even closer. It works great, but once you start getting further back and back, the light dissipates or it just distributes itself way beyond where you can't see. I'll give you a perfect example right here. We're standing underneath a Boeing 777-200. I got this bad boy at maximum settings and I want to see what it's capable of. And up close, it's perfect. I like it. It illuminates very well, A very broad light. You can see everything in detail up close. But as soon as I start walking towards the tail end or shining the light in further distances, it starts getting not as bright. Even though you have 4,600 lumens getting pushed through this thing, look, it's not really illuminating the vertical stabilizer. By the way, that's the tail. When it comes to aircraft maintenance, we need a direct beam of light. Something that will throw the beam very precisely and directly. This is why I mentioned these lights are more meant for close quarters. See how I get closer to the belly, the brighter it gets? But then again, these flashlights might have been designed for completely some different use. Most flashlight companies don't think about aircraft maintenance and what we need. Okay, up next, the Baton 3 Pro. Now this thing is actually really nice. It's very compact, very lightweight, well built, the materials are perfect, and it's got some decent illumination. Here's the specs. Capable of throwing out about 1,500 lumens, 2 minutes, then drops down to 40% for 177 minutes. The key feature I really love about this is got magnetic charging. Check this out. This is one of the features I absolutely love about this product. No more USB cables that plug into the flashlight, just simply magnetic charging. This is perfect. I really like this. I really want all flashlight companies to do this. So a big plus on this one. The Seeker also has this feature, but it does not come with that type of charger. Its charger is actually embedded inside its holster. You simply plug in the USB-C inside, and the magnetic charging is inside the bottom of the holster. The other features I really like about these flashlights is their push buttons. There's a lot of companies out there with very sensitive push buttons that get inadvertently pushed. Trust me, you don't want these flashlights to be turned on inadvertently inside of your pocket. Which brings me to the other topic. Any type of high intensity flashlight you buy, such as these or any other product, they get hot, especially on maximum settings. And the fact that they took particular attention to the buttons themselves is a big plus again. So this is why I say it's a good quality build, and they use good quality material. I enjoyed the little baton. You know, it's actually great for interior walkarounds. Very lightweight, very compact. Matter of fact, I personally will use this as a backup flashlight or something in very close quarters where I just can't fit a bigger flashlight. So yeah, I really like this one. Oh, another cool little feature I completely forgot to mention. They're all magnetic. That's right. Even though they get magnetically charged like this, they are magnetic when you want to stick it to something and work. This is a fantastic feature. I like this. And look at me being clumsy, dropping it. But it's okay, that's what we do. We drop our flashlights a lot. By the way, the durability was pretty good. I dropped every single one of these. Not a thing, a few scratches here and there. So again, the quality of the material is good. So, my final opinion on these. I enjoyed them. They were a very nice product, but they're not suited for aircraft maintenance. I don't think they were ever designed for us. I know I'm being very specific, but that's what I told you I was going to be in the beginning. I'm looking at this from my perspective, from my line of work. These flashlights are more designed for home use. In case of emergency, they're great for camping, they're great for automotive, a great general purpose flashlight. They have fantastic features and they are very moderately priced. I've seen flashlights out there that are way overpriced. These are actually pretty good. So if you're looking for something moderate that produces a pretty decent illumination and you're not working in a very harsh work environment, yeah, go for it. Check them out. I highly guarantee you'll enjoy it. But when it comes to my line of work, aircraft maintenance, yeah, it's got to be tougher. It's got to be stronger. If anybody has worked on an airport, you sure know that almost nothing lasts here. I hope you enjoyed this thorough review. OLight, thank you very much for allowing me to do this, and I look forward to seeing more of your future products. Thank you all for watching. Take care.